Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer Ethereum from Bitmart to Crypto.com in 2025. Whether you're looking to switch exchanges, consolidate your crypto holdings, or just explore new platforms, this step-by-step tutorial will make the process simple and stress-free. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitmart and Crypto.com, and that you have some Ethereum in your Bitmart wallet. Security is key in crypto, so double-check that you've enabled two-factor authentication on both platforms to protect your assets. Step 1. Log into your Bitmart account. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet section and select Ethereum from your list of assets. You'll see an option for withdrawal, click on that. Step 2. On Crypto.com, go to your wallet and find your Ethereum address. This is crucial, so copy it carefully to your clipboard. Remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so always verify the address to avoid sending your funds to the wrong place. Step 3. Back on Bitmart, paste the Crypto.com Ethereum address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Ethereum you want to transfer, but be mindful of any network fees. Ethereum typically uses the ERC20 network, which might cost a few dollars depending on current gas prices in 2025. Step 4. Review all the details one last time, then confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation email or notification, and it might take a few minutes to an hour for the transfer to complete, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, head over to Crypto.com and check your wallet to ensure your Ethereum has arrived. If everything looks good, you're all set. In conclusion, transferring Ethereum between exchanges is easier than ever in 2025, but always stay vigilant about security. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.